Every week, someone declares another job is about to disappear. AI will replace programmers. AI will replace designers. AI will replace writers. At first, those headlines scared me too. So I did what most people are doing. I started learning AI. I watched tutorials, studied prompting, tested every new tool I could find. I thought the goal was simple. Learn AI before AI replaces you. But after months of working with these tools every day, something became obvious. The people getting the biggest results weren't the ones who knew the most prompts. They weren't the people using the newest AI model. They had something else. A human skill that became more valuable every time AI improved. And once I noticed it, I couldn't unsee it. Today, I want to share that idea with you. Because I honestly believe this is the skill that will matter long after today's AI tools have been replaced by tomorrow's. Problem solvers will always beat tool experts. Imagine two people walking into the same company. Both have access to exactly the same AI tools. The first person says, "I'm an expert in ChatGPT." The second person says, "Tell me the biggest challenge your business is facing." Who do you think becomes more valuable? The first person knows the tool. The second person understands the problem. Here's the reality. Every AI tool you know today will eventually be replaced by something better. But businesses don't pay people because they know software. They pay people because they solve problems. Technology changes. Problems remain. And the people who learn how to identify, understand, and solve meaningful problems will always stay valuable. The tool may open the door, but problem solving keeps you in the room. People don't hire tools. They hire people who solve problems. Judgment will become more valuable than information. Imagine asking 5 different AI tools the same question. ChatGPT gives one answer. Claude gives another. Gemini adds something different. Perplexity finds more sources. Which one is correct? The uncomfortable truth is, sometimes they all sound convincing. But someone still has to decide. That's where judgment comes in. AI can generate possibilities. It cannot live with the consequences of your decisions. Should your company invest? Should you hire someone? Should you launch the product? AI can help you think. But only you can decide. The future won't reward people who simply collect information. It will reward people who know what information deserves action. Information is becoming cheaper. Good judgment is becoming priceless. Systems thinking will beat prompt collections. A few years ago, people collected productivity apps. Today, people collect prompts. Tomorrow, it will probably be AI agents. But here's the question nobody asks. What happens after the prompt works? Where does the information go? Who reviews it? What happens next? The people getting extraordinary results with AI aren't collecting prompts. They're designing systems. Research flows into planning. Planning flows into execution. Execution flows into review. Review creates improvement. AI becomes one part of a bigger process. Because successful people don't build collections. They build systems. And systems keep producing results long after individual tools have changed. People who build systems will always outperform people who collect shortcuts. Curiosity ages better than expertise. Think about all the technology that's disappeared. BlackBerry, MySpace, Flash, CDs, DVDs, hundreds of software tools that once felt essential. Now ask yourself, what happened to the people who built successful careers through all those changes? Most of them had one thing in common. They never stopped learning. Curiosity kept them relevant. Not because they knew everything, but because they were always willing to learn the next thing. AI will continue changing. New companies will appear. Others will disappear. The people who remain valuable won't be the ones who memorize today's tools. They'll be the ones who stayed curious enough to keep adapting. Technology changes. Curious people change with it. Communication will become a superpower. A few years ago, being the smartest person in the room was often enough. Today, that isn't always true. Imagine two people with exactly the same idea. The first struggles to explain it. The second explains it so clearly that everyone immediately understands the value. Who gets the investment? Who gets the promotion? Who wins the client? AI can help you write. It can improve your grammar. It can even generate presentations. But it still can't replace genuine human connection. The ability to explain complex ideas simply. To inspire people. To negotiate. To teach. To lead. Those are deeply human skills. And as AI becomes better at producing content, the people who communicate with clarity and authenticity will become even more valuable. The future won't belong to the loudest voices. It will belong to the clearest communicators. Adaptability will outlast expertise. Think about someone who became an expert in one software 20 years ago, then refused to learn anything else. For a while, they probably did very well. But technology never stopped moving. Eventually, their expertise became less valuable. Now look at someone else. They weren't always the smartest. They weren't always the most experienced. But every time technology changed, they changed with it. That's the person who keeps finding opportunities. AI is changing faster than almost any technology we've seen. The winners won't be the people who memorize today's tools. They'll be the people who can learn tomorrow's. Because adaptability is a skill that never becomes outdated. The future rewards people who can learn faster than the world changes. Learning how to learn is the real AI skill. After spending months studying AI, I came to one conclusion. I had been asking the wrong question. Instead of asking, which AI tool should I master, I should have been asking, how do I become the kind of person who can master any tool? That's a completely different mindset. The tools will change. The interfaces will change. The companies will change. But your ability to learn, to adapt, to think critically, to solve problems, to communicate. Those skills become more valuable every single time technology advances. Ironically, the more intelligent AI becomes, the more valuable genuinely human abilities become. Because those are the skills that guide the technology instead of simply following it. Don't build your future around one AI tool. Build it around becoming someone who never stops learning. When people ask me, what's the best AI skill to learn, I don't think the answer is ChatGPT. Or Claude. Or Gemini. Or prompt engineering. Those things matter. But they'll continue evolving. The skill I'm investing in is becoming a better thinker. A better communicator. A better problem solver. A better learner. Because no matter how powerful AI becomes, those abilities will always multiply the value of every tool you use. Technology will keep changing. The question is, will you keep changing with it?